At Samsung Biologics, we have moved beyond digital records toward real-time production control. Hi, my name is Namu Kim, Associate Director of MES Team. As modalities become more diverse, processes, analytical methods, and global regulatory requirements become more complex. Supporting these expanding needs is our manufacturing execution system, which serves as the digital backbone of our operations. It orchestrates execution from end to end, making operations more predictable while strengthening data integrity and traceability. Through expanded MES interfaces with surrounding systems, including the Enterprise Resource Planning System, Laboratory Information Management Systems, and Process Control, data can flow continuously across the manufacturing lifecycle. This connectivity reaches process equipment directly, automating batch records and equipment logbooks, which transforms manual documentation into more reliable, data-driven decision-making. This is how we are advancing biomanufacturing.